नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम टू न्यू वीडियो ऑफ टैली. So let's see some reports. This is gateway of tally. Then you have to go to display more reports, or you can press D from your keyboard. Okay, now the type of report which you want, you can see here. Accounts book, cash book. Okay, this is cash book. Ledger details you can get from here. Then group summary, group vouchers, contra register, payment register. So practically they ask for sales register, so you can take from here only. So navigate to display more reports, then accounts book, and then sales register. Okay, for audit we need this. When we have to tally this report with our GST or one report, then we extract this. Okay, now let's go to other reports, display, then let's go to day book. This will show transactions. Okay, so I don't think we need, I mean for information you can check, but report wise I have not extracted. Then let's go to inventory books, stock item, batch, location. Okay, everything you can get from here. Let's see physical stock register. Okay, so hope you are getting and understanding whatever I am showing. Second one is statement of inventory. Let's check movement analysis, stock item analysis. Okay, so this was the movement we received, that is movement inward. Okay, and then again we sold, that is outward. So this is how you can check the movement of stock item. So this was about inventory report. Next one is statutory report. So you can get GSTR 1, 2, 3B. In later, I mean, I'll be uploading videos from now onwards, or after 2 to 3 videos I'll be uploading GSTR related videos, and please do watch, because everything I'll be teaching in detail. Any suggestion is there, please let me know in comment box. Okay, this was all about reports. Coming to exception report, let's see. Let me see overdue receivables. This is very important, because for cash flow our management used to ask us that which all are overdue, like receivables, and payables also you can take. Thank you friends, hope you are understanding. Now I'll be teaching in next 2 to 3 minutes very important feature of tally, and that is setting password. Okay, so we came out from here, and you know, as I created this company ABC Private Limited, and this is educational mode of tally. So in tallyprime, that company alteration option was like reflecting at a different location. This is tallyprime. In tally RP9 it was different. So let's click on this, then company. Then I have to alter details of this company only. So I'll select this company, alter, sorry, this option is here, second option, alter company. Okay, now see here in configuration, just before I did, I'll show from scratch. So this is the details of company we have. Now I want to set password to maintain the confidentiality. So I'll go to configuration. Okay, F12 you press directly, and use user access control I'll enable. I'll do yes. Okay, then control A, I'll accept. I'll accept all details as it is. Now here I'll do yes. Okay, then username, suppose, okay, password, you give any password. This is how you can set the password. Okay, so this is very important, and in the CA forms and all, there is like multi-user tally license is there, so they use this feature, okay, to maintain the confidentiality, and many people are there, so they will be working on like using same license, and outsider can't use, because we secure it by giving a password. Okay friends, thank you. I hope you like this feature and understanding the video. In upcoming videos I'll be showing you like GST entries and various other like how to record purchase from unregistered dealer, how to record import export purchase and sales, I mean import and export, not purchase sales. Okay, so friends, stay connected and do subscribe so that you get the notification. Okay, thank you.